Today we are going to learn the important part of coordinate geometry is the section formula. आज आपण भूमिती निर्देशक भूमिती या चॅप्टर मधील डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला एवढाच महत्त्वाचा आज सेक्शन फॉर्म्युलाचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला म्हणजे विभाजन सूत्र. First, we have to learn the basic concept. Already, we have to learn the property of intercepts made by three parallel lines. In figure, line L is a parallel to line M is a parallel to line N. And line P and line Q are there transversal. Therefore, line P transversal P intersect to line L, M and N at point A, B, C respectively. Similarly, transversal Q intersect to line L, M, N at point P, Q, R also respectively. आपण सिमिलरिटी या चॅप्टर मध्ये तीन समांतर रेषा आणि त्यांच्या छेदिकेचा गुणधर्म अभ्यासलेला आहे. When three parallel lines and their transversal intersect and form intercept. तीन समांतर रेषांना छेदिकेने छेदले असता आंतरछेद तयार होतात. सिगमेंट ए बी and segment BC, segment PQ, segment QR are intersect. The ratio of such intercept are equal when transversal P form intercept ratio is the same as transversal Q form the same parallel lines of intercept ratio PQ as QR. Then therefore AB as BC is equal to PQ as QR. तीन समांतर रेषांना छेदिकेने छेदले असता तयार होणारे आंतरछेदाचे गुणोत्तर हे त्याच तीन समांतर रेषांना दुसऱ्या कोणत्याही छेदिकेने छेदले असता तयार होणाऱ्या आंतरछेदाच्या गुणोत्तरा एवढे असते. डिव्हिजन ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट, रेषाखंडाचे विभाजन. In figure, this is a line segment AB. Point P take on segment AB. Due to point P, segment AB divided into two parts. We have to consider AP is equal to 6 and segment BP is equal to 10. Therefore, AP as PB, segment AB divided into two parts, AP as PB. Therefore, 6 as 10. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. AP as PB is equal to 3 as 5. Therefore, point P divide the line segment AB in the ratio 3 as 5. दिलेला रेषाखंड एखाद्या बिंदूने विभागत असेल तर तो बिंदू त्या रेषाखंडाला दोन भागामध्ये विभागतो. त्या दोन भागाचे गुणोत्तर म्हणजेच त्या बिंदूने तो रेषाखंड त्या प्रमाणात विभागलेला आहे. दिस इज द बेसिक कन्सेप्ट वी हॅव टू यूज फॉर सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इंटरसेप्ट मेड बाय थ्री parallel lines and division of line segment. The basic concept we have to use to prove or to obtain the section formula. आपण या दोन गुणधर्माचा उपयोग करून सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला मिळवणार आहोत. Section formula. In a XY plane, in a XY plane, this is the XY plane. In a XY plane, let point A x1 y1 and point B x2 y2. These 2 points in a XY plane. to join line segment of AB. Point P XY on this segment AB in a XY plane. बिंदू P हा बिंदू A आणि B या दोन बिंदूंना जोडणाऱ्या रेषेखंडावर आहे. Therefore, segment AB divide by point P in a M as N ratio. AP is equal to M and PB is equal to N. P बिंदूमुळे रेषाखंड AB M जसे N या दोन भागामध्ये या प्रमाणामध्ये विभागलेला आहे. Draw segment AC perpendicular to x-axis. Draw segment PQ perpendicular to x-axis and draw segment BD perpendicular to x-axis. बिंदू A, P आणि B बिंदूवरून x अक्षावर लंब काढलेले आहे. Therefore, point P divides segment AB in ratio M as N. The point C, Q and D all points on the x-axis. By using distance formula to find distance CQ. Distance CQ is equal to its y coordinate is 0. Therefore, x minus x1 is the CQ. CQ is equal to x minus x1. And distance between two point Q and D, its y coordinate is 0. Therefore, distance QD is equal to x2 minus x. Therefore, QD is equal to x2 minus x. We get equation number 1. In figure, segment AC is a parallel to segment PQ is a parallel to segment BD. Three lines are parallel AC, PQ and BD. Segment AB and segment CD are their transversal. AC, PQ आणि BD ह्या तीन समांतर रेषा आहेत. या तीन समांतर रेषांची छेदिका AB आणि छेदिका CD आहे. By using the property of intercept of three parallel line, तीन समांतर रेषा आणि त्यांचे छेदिकेच्या गुणधर्मानुसार AP as PB is equal to CQ as QD. Therefore, AP as PB is equal to CQ as QD. Here AP is the M, PB is the N, M upon N is equal to CQ. CQ is equal to x minus x1 from equation 1 and QD is equal to x2 minus x. From this ratio cross multiplication, N multiply x minus x1, N multiply x minus x1 is equal to M multiply to x2 minus x, M multiply x2 minus x. N multiply each and every term in a bracket N into x, nx minus N into x1 minus nx1 is equal to M multiply to each every terms in a bracket M multiply x2 mx2 minus M multiply x mx. Like terms take one side nx and mx take NHS side and nx1 and mx2 take RHS side. Minus mx goes on RHS side, then we get plus nx plus mx is equal to nx2. This minus nx1 goes on RHS side, then we get plus nx plus mx is equal to mx2 plus nx1. Therefore, nx plus mx is equal to mx2 plus nx1. On LHS side, both terms contain x. Therefore, x take common. X take common in a bracket m plus n is equal to mx2 plus nx1. This m plus n goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This is the x coordinate of point P. The value of x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Similarly, drawing a perpendicular from point A, P and B to y-axis, we get. आपण त्याच पद्धतीने जर A आणि B या बिंदूपासून y अक्षावर जर परपेंडिक्युलर लंब काढले तर आपण ज्या पद्धतीने x ची किंमत काढलेली आहे त्याच पद्धतीने y ची किंमत काढता येईल. y इज इक्वल टू my2 प्लस ny1 अपॉन m प्लस n. पहा इथे टू कंपेअर x अँड y व्हॅल्यू. x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट P mx2 प्लस nx1 m आणि n म्हणजे P मुळे बिंदू AB ज्या प्रमाणात विभागलेला आहे ते गुणोत्तर m आणि n. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and similarly y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore, coordinate of the point which divide line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 in the ratio m as n are given by. These are the coordinate x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma y coordinate my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is called as section formula. Therefore, the value of x and the value of y. When to find the coordinate of point which are divide the given coordinate of line segment by using section formula. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Then we get this coordinate point. This coordinate point is the section formula. Example number 1. If coordinate of point A 3, 5 and B 7, 9 and point Q divide segment AB in the ratio 2 as 3, then find coordinate of point Q. बिंदू Q ने रेषा AB ला रेषाखंड AB ला 2 जसे 3 प्रमाणात विभागलेलं आहे तर बिंदू Q चे निर्देशक काढा. This is a point A 3, 5 and point B 7, 9 join segment AB. Point Q coordinate XY divide segment AB in the ratio 2 as 3. Let point A 3, 5 consider as x1, y1. Therefore, x1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 5. For point B 7, 9 consider as x2, y2. Therefore, x2 is equal to 7, y2 is equal to 9. And point Q divide segment AB in ratio m as n. Therefore, m as n is equal to 2 as 3. Therefore, m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. By using section formula to find the coordinate of x and y. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Therefore, x is equal to 2 multiply 7 plus 3 multiply 3. The value of m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. x2 is equal to 7 and x1 is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2 multiply 7 plus 3 multiply 3 upon m plus n means 2 plus 3. 2 7s are 14 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 2 plus 3 is a 5. 14 plus 9 is equal to 23 upon 5. This is the value of x. Similarly, to find the value of y coordinate, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore, y is equal to 2 multiply 9 plus 3 multiply 5 upon 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 9s are 18 plus 3 5s are 15 upon 5. 18 plus 15 is equal to 33 upon 5. Y is equal to 33 upon 5. Therefore, coordinate of point Q are 23 upon 5 and 33 upon 5. Example number 2. If point P minus 1 7, point Q 4 minus 3 and point A divide segment AB, PQ in the ratio 2 as 3, then find the coordinate of point A. Point P minus 1, 7 and Q 4 minus 3 join a segment PQ. Segment PQ divide point A coordinate XY in the ratio 2 as 3, that is M as N. Let point P minus 1, 7 consider as x1 y1 and point Q 4 minus 3 consider as x2 y2. And M as N is equal to 2 as 3. Therefore, M is equal to 2, N is equal to 3. By using section formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Substitute the value. X is equal to 2 multiply 4 plus 3 multiply minus 1 upon 2 plus 3. 2 4s are 8 plus minus 3 upon 5. 8 minus 3, 5 upon 5 is equal to 1. And coordinate of y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to 2 multiply minus 3 plus 3 multiply 7 upon 2 plus 3 minus 6 plus 21 upon 5. 15 upon 5, 5 3s are 15, therefore y is equal to 3. Coordinate of point A are 1, 3. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Today's homework. Problem number 1. If point P minus 3, 7 and point Q 1 minus 4 and point A divide segment PQ in the ratio 2 as 1, then find coordinate of point A. Second problem, if point D 2, 6 and point E minus 4, 1 and point P divide segment DE in the ratio 1 as 2, then find coordinate of point A.